A video has gone viral online and gained much attention, showing how the storm took over the whole city and left people behind their doors. What is heartbreaking was how the storm destroyed the occupants' personal belongings left outside their homes and roads during the flooding. Due to the violent disturbance occurring in the city, a popular swimming spot, Seacliff Beach, suffers the impact as the ship on the sea gets destroyed. Why is California witnessing such a disaster?